Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you again to an interesting DIY crafting video where you are going to learn some paper DIY crafts. So let's see, we are folding it into the form of a conical shape and then cutting it in the sideways. You will get a beautiful lovely flower this way. Now making creases like this by folding it into the form of a star, you will get such a beautiful shape. Now paste it over the another flower like this, and this is the result that you are going to get. Now fold it and get the crease cut with the help of scissors, small and thin, and you will just have to put the stick around and cut it like this, and your umbrella is damn ready. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Proceeding further, take a plastic cup, and what you have to do, you have to make a cut like this or from the top, and then making these cut like strips like this and then folding it in this way. You have to fold the stripes in this way as we are doing in the video, one over the other, and you will get something amazing and something interesting. Keep on making this and you will get an amazing result in the end. You have to fold it back and forth and then you are going to get such an amazing look. Isn't it looking? Your hat is damn cute and it's ready. Proceeding further, take a cylindrical shape, cut it like this from the middle, and you will get a shape like this. And then what you have to do, put the accessories like this and you have to put it all over it, and your bracelet is damn ready. Take a paper like this, fold it in the way we are doing, making folds like this from the sides, and then again making crease and getting the creases in this way. Let's see what in the end are we gonna do. Again you have to make the folds like this, and you have to do something like this. Keep on folding and you are going to get an amazing beautiful result. Keep on making and let's see, you have to roll it like this from one side to another side. Keep on rolling and you will get an amazing beautiful flower. Can you name this flower? Yes, you have to make the petals like this, and then you have to join this hibiscus, right? Now you have to paste the stem further and you will get an amazing flower. You can make a bouquet of these and your flower is ready. Again what you have to do, you have to take the paper, fold it from the side, and then like this you have to fold it from both the sides and then making creases in this way. Let's see what are we going to do. Another thing, you have to fold it from the sidewards and then we are going to make super amazing thing. Keep on making and folding the paper as we are doing in the video, taking it from the end side to another side, and your dress is ready. Isn't it looking damn pretty and amazing? Now take this cutout of hand and then you have to paste on the hand like this, and with the help of clay you have to roll it and then you have to paste it further like this on a circular white sheet. Paste the clay, colorful clays like this, you have to keep on pasting. Another thing, with the help of sketch pen, draw the lines, create it in this way, paste the leaves all around it, and let's see what are we gonna make it. You have to fold the paper like this and again with the help of glue paste it and join it in this way. Again you have to paste the crumblings of paper in this way and fold it. You have to put it damn inside it. Now let's see what are we gonna do. Paste with the help of glue like this and your grapes are damn ready. Isn't it looking damn amazing and pretty? Creepers climbing. Proceeding further, let's see what are we gonna make. You have to make the stripes, colorful stripes, and then what you have to do, again you have to make semicircular, paste it like this and put the stick on the top of it. Let's see, again your broomstick is damn ready. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Yeah, definitely amazing and pretty. Proceeding further, again you have to make a leaf-like structure in this way and making the creases and fold strips like this all over the side to make it give a realistic leaf structure. Wow, damn pretty. These feathers are looking definitely amazing. Next, what we have to do, we have to make a circular structure, and then what you have to make the lines all over this in the way as we are doing in the video with the help of pencil. Keep on making the lines with the help of scale and you have to keep on making a circular pattern in this way, and your cutout is almost ready. Proceeding further, you have to fold the pages like this and then you have to again give it a fold. Proceeding further, you have to cut it the way we are doing, and yes, open it and you will get an amazing beautiful flower. Thank you so much.